ma'am, may idea na po kayo kung kanino po galing yung surprise ito. And nasabi niyo po kanina na na-message na rin po kayo ma'am. And ito pong surprise ito ma'am, meron din po siyang pinadalang message or letter po. Nababasahin ko na lang po para sa inyo. Alright, nakalagay po dito sa letter. First of all, I would like to thank you for being the best lady, girlfriend, counselor, and lover ever. Happy birthday to the woman who's been giving me sweet dreams, who gives me reason to dream, and who's responsible for my smiles, who makes life worthwhile. You mean everything and more, and I hope this birthday is one of the best, and I can't wait to spend many more together. I may not be able to give you a gift by your side due to the distance, but I can give you all the love you deserve, because you are an amazing person. I love you so much, always and forever. Happy birthday, darling, from Mr. Jonathan Roy. Ayun, palakpakan naman po natin si Michael. And any message na lang po para kay Sir, para kay Mr. Jonathan Roy. Ayan, nahihiya si Mama. I-message na lang daw po yung message po nila kay sender kay Mr. Jonathan Roy. And since birthday niyo naman ma'am, kantaan na lang din po natin si ma'am ng happy birthday po. Mga bata, kantaan natin si ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, yung mabilis naman. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, thank you ma'am. Ayan ma'am, baliwit na lang po muna ma'am bago po natin i-blow yung candle. Ayan, palakpakan naman ulit natin si Ma'am Maricar po. And once again, happy 26th birthday.